In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain using Cloudflare. A subdomain is a custom prefix like blog or shop that sits in front of your main domain to organize different parts of your site. We'll walk through the exact clicks in Cloudflare so you can set one up quickly and correctly. First, sign into your Cloudflare account so you're on the main dashboard. Make sure the domain you want to use is already added to Cloudflare and active. Once you're in, select the domain you want to work with from your list. This opens the overview for that specific domain. Next, go to DNS. In the DNS area, open the records section where all of your existing DNS entries are listed. This is where you'll add the subdomain. Click Add Record. You'll see a form for a new DNS record. Start by choosing the type. If you want your subdomain to point directly to a server's IPv4 address, choose A. If you're using an IPv6 address, choose AAAA. If you want the subdomain to point to another host name, choose CNAME. Picking the right type here ensures the subdomain routes exactly where you expect. In the name field, enter just the subdomain label you want to create, such as blog, support, or app. You don't need to type the full domain. Cloudflare will automatically append your main domain to create something like blog.example.com. Now fill in the target. For an A record, enter the correct IPv4 address of the server that should answer for this subdomain. For an type A record, enter the IPv6 address. For a CNAME, enter the destination hostname you want this subdomain to point to. Don't include HTTP, HTTPS, or any slashes, only the plain hostname or IP. If you see options like TTL or a proxy toggle, it's fine to leave the defaults unless you've been given specific settings. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new subdomain record will appear in the list. DNS updates usually apply quickly, but they can take some time to propagate across networks, so be patient if it doesn't resolve immediately. That's it. You signed in, opened your domain, went to DNS, added a record, chose the correct type, entered the subdomain name, provided the right IP address or host name, and saved your changes. Follow these same steps anytime you need additional subdomains for different parts of your site.